Picture a place where there is no more traffic jam, and instead there is an open sky for your travels. These flying cars will revolutionize travel as seen in the following video, featuring 16 flying cars to come. The future may not be far away, but it sure does look exciting, with innovations in the field of air taxis, personal flying cars, and other cool flying gadgets coming soon. Number 1. Bellweather Uton. Bellweather Uton is an advanced urban transport vehicle for the future that will change the ways people commute across congested urban areas. It is a new generation VTOL electric air taxi featuring a sleek aerodynamic body design, which can only come from a sci-fi movie. Instead of using helicopter principles, the vehicle prioritizes efficiency when moving within cities, thus alleviating traffic and reducing reliance on roads. Among its unique features, there is an invisible propulsion system that boosts both the safety and aesthetics of the vehicle. So far, Bellweather has made several models of this air taxi and conducted extensive real-life tests to accumulate information about its capabilities. Number 2. Jovi Air Cab. The Jovi Air Cab is making the futuristic concept of urban air mobility possible through its cutting-edge electric VTOL model. Engineered as a small air taxi, the two-passenger plane is designed to fly swiftly overhead and above the chaotic traffic of cities, offering a shorter travel experience. The light, carbon fiber body, along with smart autonomous functions and flight capabilities, make this vehicle safer and more efficient to operate. The Air Cab can go up to speeds of about 120 km per hour, while rapid charging technology adds to the ease of use. Passengers are treated to an elegant interior that prioritizes comfort and connection. With manufacturing and certification in progress, the Jovi Air Cab is on track to revolutionize personal air transport. Number 3. Xpeng X2. The Xpeng X2 is one of the leading-edge aerial vehicles defining the future of personal air transport. Produced by the company Xpeng Aero HT, the X2 is an all-electric air taxi that allows carrying people over crowded streets by means of autonomous flying with vertical takeoff and landing. Different from other helicopters, which use rotors for flying, the X2 uses 8 propellers, operated by electric engines. It allows flying at the speed of about 130 km per hour, maintaining the state of flight for some 35 minutes per charge. The aircraft features carbon fiber construction, enabling high performance and durability. With various safety features such as obstacle recognition, redundant propulsion system, emergency parachute, and route optimization, the Xpeng X2 represents the future of aerial mobility. Number 4. Volo X Pro. The Volo X Pro is a new generation aircraft that brings personal aviation much closer to our reality. This innovative multicopter was developed by the German firm Volocopter. The craft has been created for practical purposes instead of serving as a mere experiment. The aircraft is equipped with a 2-person cabin as well as 18 electric rotors providing reliable vertical takeoff and landing. This multicopter is supposed to be used for pilot training, tourist flights, recreational purposes, and future air transportation in cities. The most interesting feature of this electric multicopter is the fly-by-wire system, minimizing the amount of effort made by the pilot while flying. Moreover, the vehicle's engine is entirely electric, hence silent and eco-friendly. Number 5. SkyDrive SD-05. The SD-05 SkyDrive is one of the most impressive and revolutionary electric flying vehicles designed in Japan. It was developed by a company called SkyDrive Inc. This innovative design represents a compact eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing, aircraft meant for quick and effective flights over busy city streets. In contrast to traditional helicopters, the SD-05 has a multicopter design consisting of 12 motors and rotors that facilitate smooth takeoff and landing in a limited area. Moreover, this aircraft features a light carbon fiber structure that ensures its effectiveness and safety at the same time. The cockpit contains seating for the pilot and 2 passengers. Besides, the passenger area has panoramic windows, creating the feeling of futuristic travel. Number 6. EHang EH216S. The EHang EH216S is moving us closer to a future where pilotless air taxis are a reality. Made by the Chinese firm EHang, the EH216S is an autonomous aircraft that carries 2 passengers via electric propulsion without requiring a pilot inside. As opposed to other conventional flight methods, the EH216-S uses advanced autonomous flying technologies alongside intelligent navigation to fly. It uses 16 electric motors as well as 18 propellers that ensure safe flights through redundant features. Additionally, electric engines reduce noise and pollution levels when compared to helicopters. The achievement of gaining the world's first pilotless passenger eVTOL to earn its type certificate in China is a big step towards urban air mobility. Number 7. Doroni H1-X Gen 2. This makes the Doroni H1-X Gen 2 one step closer towards making personal air mobility a daily reality. The electric aircraft, developed by Doroni Aerospace from Florida, USA, has the ability to take off and land vertically and is made with an aim of being owned by individuals rather than fleets. As opposed to other air taxi designs meant for commercial purposes, the H1-X Gen 2 has been designed specifically for those looking forward to moving about more quickly than driving on busy roads. It has been built using carbon fiber, an enclosed ducted fan system, and features a 2-seated cockpit. The enclosed fan system makes it quiet and safer for passengers to ride in. Other technology includes autonomous flying aids, redundant propulsion systems, and an airbag along with a whole aircraft parachute. Number 8. Leo Coupe. One of the most futuristic personal flying cars that is currently under development includes the Leo Coupe, which features the stylish design of a luxurious sports car alongside advanced electric aviation technology. The aircraft has been created by Leo Flight Corporation and targets individuals that desire personal air travel but would prefer not to deal with an aircraft that looks like a conventional plane. The sleek design, along with the panoramic windows and the gull-wing doors, as well as a completely see-through floor, make this aircraft look like a futuristic supercar. In addition to its unique design, the Leo Coupe does not feature any exposed propellers, but rather employs ducted electric jets. The lightweight carbon fiber construction is expected to allow achieving speeds up to 250 miles per hour. Number 9. ASKA A5. The ASKA A5 is considered to be among the most advanced flying car designs under development. This road and aircraft combination was designed by Californian company ASKA and can be used as a means of door-to-door transportation. While many eVTOL designs work as vehicles in the air, the ASKA A5 has a special set of foldable wings that allows driving on ordinary roads and even parking in regular parking lots like an SUV. The A5 vehicle is designed for carrying 4 passengers and employs a system of 6 propellers driven by an electric motor with the range extender installed. This allows the aircraft to fly long distances and increases safety due to a double system of power generation and a ballistic parachute. Number 10. Xpeng Land Aircraft Carrier. The Xpeng Land Aircraft Carrier is arguably the most innovative transport idea that has ever been created, featuring an advanced electric car with an airborne module attached to it. Designed by Xpeng Aero HT, the solution comprises a 6-wheel land transport unit equipped with a small, collapsible eVTOL aircraft located in its tail. While on land, the unit operates similarly to an SUV. However, pressing a single button will result in the launch of the flight mode, which allows it to fly short distances above the traffic. For this purpose, several electric rotors, as well as intelligent stabilizers and AI controls, were used to simplify flying. Xpeng plans to produce thousands of such units per year. Number 11. Alef Model A. The Alef Model A flying car is one of the most promising projects that could bring humanity much closer to having both road vehicles and vertical flying machines. Created by Alef Aeronautics in California, this all-electric car combines features of a conventional passenger vehicle and a VTOL aircraft, giving drivers an opportunity to leave traffic jams behind and switch to vertical flight mode. This flying car comes with 8 propellers placed inside the body of a compact vehicle made of lightweight materials, including carbon fiber that enables it to operate like a drone but keep the look of a road car. In addition, the Model A promises to cover about 200 miles on the ground and 110 miles in the air at speeds up to 110 miles per hour. Number 12. eVTOL Slipstream Elite. This concept is called the eVTOL Slipstream Elite. It is one of many concepts of an advanced flying vehicle developed by eVTOL with the goal of achieving maximum performance in terms of speed, maneuverability, and new autonomous flight technology. One feature of this particular concept is that, unlike other aircraft which have massive wings or visible propellers, the Slipstream Elite utilizes a distributed electric propulsion system, where the lift and stability are achieved through several electric thrusters located along the body of the aircraft. The aircraft itself has a lifting body design, which makes it efficient when navigating small areas within cities. In addition to this, the Slipstream Elite uses AI-powered navigation systems and real-time flight monitoring capabilities. Number 13. Jetoptera J2000. One of the most innovative flying machines concepts of contemporary times is the Jetoptera J2000, which provides a whole new dimension to vertical takeoff. This concept has been invented by Jetoptera, an organization from the United States, and involves a change from propeller-driven planes to a bladeless jet aircraft. In such a design, air is made to flow in specially designed ducts, and hence a jet of air produces necessary thrust. This aircraft can be operated on both hybrid electricity and gas turbine fuel system. In addition, the engine compresses air and uses specially engineered nozzles for thrust generation. It has a box wing design and hence increases lifting capacity in horizontal and hovering flight conditions. The aircraft can achieve speeds of up to 200 miles per hour and fly for 400 miles at a stretch. Number 14. Leo Solo. Leo Solo represents an effort to materialize the idea of a flying motorcycle in reality. It has been created by a company known as Leo Flight and serves to offer a one-seater electric VTOL that can be used for leisurely and short flights instead of long-haul trips. Instead of having a typical rotor structure like that of a helicopter, the craft makes use of nearly 48 electric ducted fans, which provide the necessary lift. These fans enable it to remain stable while making sure that it stays light and compact. The pilot will have to sit inside a protective cage supported by flight assistance software. Its speed is expected to be no more than 60 miles per hour, with flight durations between 10 to 15 minutes per charge. Number 15. Cruise Up Flying Car. The flying car from Sciotech called Cruise Up comes up with a radical departure from conventional methods of urban air transportation, relying on precise control of the flying machine instead of conventional plane aerodynamics. Instead of propellers, the vehicle uses a cyclorotor design, which implies that 6 rotors in a cylindrical form allow producing thrust in any direction. Thus, the flying car can easily go forward, upwards, sideways, backwards, and even brake mid-air without turning its fuselage. The full rotation capability makes Cruise Up an extremely maneuverable device. The safety of the aircraft is ensured through enclosing all of the rotors and using several motors for the same purpose. The aircraft is designed for 2 people and is supposed to fly at the speed of 150 km per hour for about 100 km. Number 16. Urban Aeronautics CityHawk. The Urban Aeronautics CityHawk is a revolutionary flying machine created to solve one of the main problems related to the concept of urban air mobility: safety within urban settings. Created by the Israeli company Urban Aeronautics, the flying car utilizes a unique technology known as fancraft. It implies an absence of any exposed rotors on its surface, which makes the flight safer due to the ducted fan design, allowing vertical takeoff and landing in extremely tight urban areas. The machine can accommodate up to 6 people, making it perfect for air taxi services and rescue operations. Moreover, one of the CityHawk's key technological features will be the use of hydrogen fuel cells, which will help achieve zero emissions from flights. The CityHawk has the speed of 150 to 240 kilometers per hour and the range of about 150 kilometers. Thank you for watching 16 new flying cars that will change travel forever. If you found our video informative and interesting, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share with friends for even more exciting technology videos. Which one is your favorite flying car on our list? Comment below.